Can we improve our form a little bit, Zach?
Oh, come on.
You're humping the ground a bit.
What? Uh-oh. I'm struggling. This is it.
I'm shaking.
He's having a seizure.
We're not doing one
having
yet.
a seizure. Oh, no. Ah.
You got
this.
it.
Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. So I'm at an Nvidia Tech Summit right now, and I'm joined by a lot of tech content creators. We have Ozzy from OzTalksHW, Greg from Science Studios, Joey Delgado from, that's what his channel's name is called, Kristofer Yee from, that's what his channel is called, Mark from the ScatterVolt channel, Matt from the Toasty Bros, Matthew Moniz, which is what his channel is called, Matt by Tech by Matt, and then we have Zach from Zach's Sector on camera. So I called everyone here today to do kind of a last man standing challenge, but these videos are only cool if you have a really great prize, right? So I do have the prize right here. Ozzy, can you help me? We are all tech content creators, so the prize had to do something with tech. So I was able to reach out to Newegg, who is helping to sponsor these prizes. And the grand prize is going to be what's in this bag that Ozzy is going to unveil.
You got this, Ozzy. You got this.
It's so bad.
So we have an ASUS ROG Strix RTX 2080 Ti. So this is the grand prize. There's a second prize, which is right here. So you can keep holding that, Ozzy. Does anyone know what this is?
An SSD?
This is a Samsung X5. This is a 2 terabyte NVMe external drive that works through Thunderbolt 3. Read and write speeds above 2000. Is the winner taking both of it, or is this first and second prize? What do you guys think?
First and second.
First and second, 2 people are walking away. So what is the challenge going to be? What are we going to be last standing to? We're going to be doing the push-up plank and seeing who can hold it for the longest.
Push-up plank. A static position in which a push-up is held without performing the push-up.
So, the thing is,
We're gonna be here all day.
you don't have to keep perfect form, because I know as we go on, people are gonna like start to break down. Just don't be doing no like TP butt up or like super slouching on the ground like that, alright? Just keep it within like 80% plus or minus in the push-up form. So if we do start going too long, because we don't have all night, people are gonna get tired. The first hurdle is that I'm going to ask people to remove one arm.
Oh
right?
boy.
And if people are just super ripped and buff, then we're gonna also remove the opposite leg. So you're gonna be holding a push-up plank with only 2 limbs. And man, if people go longer than that, you guys are too much of beasts. So if you do feel like, you know, your body's starting to give out, or you might pull something or get injured, please stop, because I know these prizes are tempting, but medical bills and your overall long-term health is worth way more than the $1,300 that graphics card goes for on Newegg. So, everyone ready?
Yeah.
This is why I didn't make a thing.
No referee, huh?
So once people start coming out, then it's like group refereeing, right? So
Okay.
watch out for each other.
Don't worry, I'll be out in 2 seconds. Got you guys.
Okay. And then again, once you get out, feel free to pick up the cameras and walk around and stuff. Everyone ready? Yep.
Yeah.
Mark, get set, go.
We should have put on some music.
Yeah.
This person.
We can copyright.
So copyright.
We can sing.
Or copyright free jams.
So if you need to adjust, feel free. All right. 40 seconds. How's everyone doing?
It's just boredom right now.
There's a nasty pube right under me, which doesn't look good as well. There's no helping situation.
That's not here, is it? I need someone to...
Carpet's
I don't know if I'm used to you.
Okay, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. No?
You're like, if we go for 30 minutes.
Yeah, I was like, how? Okay. Yeah, I know I can do this for 30 minutes, so.
Great. Just
Actually,
psych us all out.
Could just take it and run.
If I
take over the team. But I go.
I just like it.
We do need a referee, Mark. If we need a referee, Mark.
Somebody drop. Yeah, somebody start and I'll go right after.
I'll drop if you drop, Mark. I'm just saying.
We're making drop packs now?
We're about to hit 2 minutes, people. So I looked up and someone held a plank, not a push-up plank, but normal on your elbows, for like 4 hours. It's crazy.
4 hours. I'm not gonna go 4 minutes.
Everyone's doing this so far.
Alright, I know I'm not winning.
Can you pick up my camera, Matt?
Yeah.
And just go around?
I'm out too.
Is it on auto?
It is, yeah. But you can press the shutter button or hold it down to
Yeah,
focus it.
Upper arms right
Yeah.
here. I swear it's burning lower.
Can we improve our form a little bit, Zach?
Oh, come on.
You're humping the ground a bit. What?
Zach's doing a Friday night over there.
It's just.
This could be the easiest 1300. Oh man, come on, Ozzy.
I felt like I was like having a child.
Wait, so we're allowed to move our arms around then?
If you need to like shake it off or walk
Okay.
it, yeah.
It's a vinyasa.
Struggling, Mark. Struggling. You're shaking too much.
This can't be good for your competition.
Oh, dude, I gotta do it.
I really need a graphics card, so you know.
I don't need it that bad.
Look at this. This could be
have-
yours. This could be yours.
Yo, let's do one arm.
You think so? Right now, we're almost at 4 minutes. Let's do it at
5.
5.
Yeah.
One arm at 5.
All right, what are you thinking right now? Do you think you're gonna win this? Do you have what it takes? Let's play fingerball.
I have to have what it takes. I only have a GTX 1070.
Who are you worried about the most? Who's on your mind right now? All right. What's going on here?
Bro.
Do you feel like a GTX 1660 or you feel an RTX 2080 Ti turn part?
I feel a GT730.
Same.
That's how I'm feeling like.
A mood right there.
All right, Joey.
Yes, sir.
This is it.
Oh, he's nice. We're done.
This is what you've been working for your entire life. This moment. You're gonna let these guys beat you? These other tech YouTubers?
I'm starting to get a shake.
CGT is out.
Wait, so when we do one hand, are we allowed to split our
5
feet
feet
apart?
apart.
Oh yeah, you can split your feet apart.
Okay.
All right, we're about to go to one hand now. So everyone, start adjusting. Wait, start adjusting to one hand.
He's having a seizure.
We're not doing one hand
Having a
yet.
seizure. Oh no.
Start adjusting for it. I'll tell you when to let go. Right.
He's
All right.
He's recovering. He's still in.
All right, on the count of 3, we're going to one hand. So make sure you're centered with your hands, okay?
Ooh, a good shake.
3, 2, 1, go.
Are you doing push-ups or are you doing a Harlem shake?
dear God.
Who fell?
Mark.
Mark's out?
Mark's out.
All right, Mark's out. We're down to 4. Down to 4.
You got it.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. The human vibrator. Down to 3.
I think Greg's a black sheep here. Well, you guys have better form.
Danny's fantastic.
I don't know, Joey started to thrust.
Get that booty down, Joey. There you go.
This is tight. This is tight. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm struggling. This is it.
Don't fall.
This could
Don't
be it.
fall.
Shoot.
All right, so who's getting the graphics card? Who's getting the SSD?
So these prizes are guaranteed. Both these people are walking away with something tonight. Question is, who's walking away with the RTX 2080 Ti?
Well, yeah. I think the winner should be.
I think there's a correlation between strength and subscriber count.
Bro, you gotta be shaking like me.
That's when you're done.
I'm sweating, Greg.
Both of you are pretty close. Like you guys are pretty much shaking evenly.
That's making it worse.
This is all coming down to the mind.
Triceps on these lads.
How badly do you want that RTX 2080 Ti? This could change your life forever. Forever. Is there anything you want to say to your competitor right now? Alright. Okay, Joe, you can stop.
You got it, Joey. Congrats.
How was the workout?
Congrats, man.
I'm pouring sweat, man.
How you doing, Greg?
I'd like to thank Danny for organizing this. And I'd like to thank the good folks back at Newegg. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful.
Is that
I'm gonna give this away to my subscribers.
nice.
In the next video.
Good use for it. Now Greg's prize.
You should have done mine first. I'd like to thank, what did he say? I'd like to thank Danny
No
for
problem.
organizing this. I'd like to thank Newegg for sponsoring this, and that's about it, right?
That's about it. Yeah, that's it.
He's keeping his. I'm keeping this.
Thank you as always for watching. I want to give a huge thanks to all the creators in this room.
Probably 5.5.
See you guys in the comments and see you in the next video. Bye.